Do you know the output of this Python code? Let me explain, but first, leave your answer in the comments. This code snippet assigns the values 10 and 5 to variables x and y, respectively, and then calculates the remainder of dividing x by y using the modulus operator, %. The result is stored in a variable called z. Next, the code uses an if-elif-else statement to check the value of z and print a message depending on the value. If z equals 2, it prints, the remainder is 2. If z equals 4, it prints, the remainder is 4. If z equals 7, it prints, the remainder is 7 inches. Otherwise, it prints, the remainder is something else. The correct answer is D. The remainder is something else. If x is divided by y, the remainder will be 0, 1, or 5. At no point will z be equal to 2, 4, or 7. Therefore, the else clause will always be executed, and the message, the remainder is something else, will be printed. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.